There is no issue at all. I am saying no, that there is no issue as far as Bharat is concerned. The vendors are well protected. They are locals, and we stand by them.
So is the
But,
jetty is given
but
for
as I
this?
said, it should be coexist. See, it is what is the going. As time goes by, the business also you need to change your business also. Because you need to say, suppose if you are catering for say one class of people. Now, suppose if the tourism basically activities, the tourism has more activities there. It is the business itself will grow, and plus the time as far as by 6 o'clock. Otherwise there should be no light and all. By 6 o'clock they have to wind up and go. Now basically they can sit there even till 11 o'clock. There is no issue.
So is the jetty is given for the lease for private party?
I am not aware of that. See, tourism department basically has taken a tender, and as per the tender process, they have done.
Because
tourism department is doing that.
Because what happened? They are charging for the locals also.
No one is charging. See, you don't miss.
They are charging me.
You don't miss. You are charging. You look like must be outsider. That's the reason they must have charged. See, clearly, you got to see locals. At least locals from there, everyone knows them. Now, if you come, you need to have some identity. You must be having some license, something at least to show that you are the same. So that anyone will walk through. See, revenue. See, ultimately to maintain the place, you require revenue also. Revenue should be generated. So tourism is generating the revenue. You cannot basically, otherwise it become like a white elephant.
Babush, yesterday there was issue. Michael has criticized that solid waste management is not functioning. Regarding Sansada issue, garbage being done with Salika plant.
See, Sansada issue, as far as that is already been settled, that Sansada is, garbage from Sansada is not coming to Bangladesh. I think it is going to khabar. So who is saying what I am not, that is not my concern. And the department is functioning well. It is always when someone else is there, say, I can function better. It is always there. So tomorrow someone will say that I can be a better chief minister than the present chief. It is always, where criticism is concerned, there is no end to that. That always I feel I am the better person.
Better person of
Better person for anything.
for chief minister.
No, I am just saying, everyone thinks that I can function much better. Criticism is there only.
But you don't like to reply to Michael.
There's nothing what to reply to me. There's nothing to reply. I am just saying our department is functioning well. There's no issue whatsoever. We are not facing any issue.
But it's not departmental issue, but it's the internal matter, I think, political issue.
What political issue? We don't have any political. We are all from one party now.
So it
you
might
don't simply put words in my mouth basically. I am not here to criticize anyone.
it might be hungry for the position.
No, I am not. See, it is not that. He must be having some issues. So at least he has not raised any issue as far as to me is concerned. So it's very clear. If he raises some issue with me, then I can basically talk on that issue.
तर फॅन जिम सारखे क्लिअर केलं जातं कितलं त्यांनी
फॅन जिम क्लिअर जावपाक एटलीस्ट आनी एक 6 म्हयने कोणी आसतलेच. So I can say before next monsoon, fॅन जिम should be. But if you go to see, compared to what people or all these critics were trying to say, so it is going to be flooded and all, but that has not happened. So that means you should understand that work on fॅन जिम is going on in the right manner and right way.
also said to legalize communal houses. How we are following up on this matter? You think it's right also in a sense to legalize the content?
See, that is under scrutiny actually, as far as the criminal is concerned. We will take opinion as far as the legal opinion, as far as legalizing and how we can legalize this houses. But the most important thing is we should take the comunidad on board. Nothing is going to happen without the comunidad being on board. With rest assured. And we will take them into confidence before government basically does anything.
But it's also shocking that Communal has no data of whether there are illegal
So that is the responsibility. Ultimately, the responsibility of each comunidad. Any encroachment basically comes in a respective comunidad areas. It is the attorney and the committees. They are responsible basically for it. So first of all, you must go to the root of the matter. How basically this encroachment, who allowed this encroachment to come? Encroachment has not come overnight, and you cannot get light connection, water connection, all those things you just cannot get. Even if you want to have water connection, they will tell you either you get your owner's NOC, something they'll tell you get. So that it is in Kanai, maybe some comunidad in Kanai, I cannot say all comunidad. There are many comunidad basically are protecting their land. There are some comunidad basically where this encroachment basically has taken place. Now, how we can regularize those encroachment, that we need to see. But I am just trying to say, without taking communals on board, we can do nothing. We'll take communals on board, and we will discuss, and we will deliberate with them, and then we will decide. So communals need not worry.
Done.
Okay.